In today's video tutorial, I will provide you with help to get rid of the new adware called ConfigBalance. ConfigBalance stands for a new adware from the adload family of adware type infections. This ConfigBalance adware, once installed, may show its really intrusive advertisements not related to the sites that you actually visit. And if this ConfigBalance adware was somehow found on your computer, be sure to immediately undertake the measures and remove this adware. So, to remove it, check your applications, find this ConfigBalance, right-click on it, and then move it to the trash. Now, to be convinced that your computer is free of other threats, I recommend you to research it with Combo Cleaner. Go to the page combocleaner.com, use the green download button, install it, and start thoroughly investigating your system. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will help you to detect and eliminate other infections fully from your system. After you start Combo Cleaner Antivirus, for the first time, the application will be initially in the trial mode, even though certain features of Combo Cleaner are absolutely free to use. For example, disk cleaner, big files, and duplicates. The application will first of all update its anti-malware database, and after it is successfully updated, click on Start Combo Scan button. Combo Cleaner Antivirus will then begin scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. There are some other features that require premium license. They are antivirus, privacy scanner, and uninstaller feature. The scanning duration depends on various factors, of course. It may depend on how infected the computer is. It may depend on how many hard drives are being scanned at the same time, and it may depend on some other factors too, of course. So take your time, wait until the scanning by Combo Cleaner has been successfully accomplished. Also, if you choose to upgrade to Premium, you can request a limited functionality trial activation key. But definitely, Premium license is a much better solution to keep your system always protected from further adware or malware attacks. So at the end of the scan, you'll see the summary of the threats. You'll be able to know their locations. Consider Premium license, and this way your system will always be protected from further virus attacks.